Let us continue with exercise 13, question number 11. An isosceles triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle. This is an isosceles triangle ABC which is inscribed in a circle. Now side AB and AC, they are given to be 12 root 5 centimeter and BC is equals to 24 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. That means we need to find the OA or OB. Both are radii of the same circle. First step, we will be drawing OAM perpendicular to BC. So M is the midpoint of BC. M is the midpoint because line segment from the center to the chord. Here BC is chord, that will be the perpendicular bisector to the chord. So BM, that will be equal to half of BC, that is BM is half of 24 and BM is equals to 12 centimeter. Now AM is the perpendicular bisector of BC. I will let O as the center of the circle which is lying on AM. Now we'll let the radius of the circle be r centimeter. OA is equals to OB, that is r centimeter. Now first of all, what we will do in order to find the radius, we will first take triangle AMB and we will be using Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle AMB. That is AB square is equals to AM square plus BM square. Substituting the values, we can find AM, which is coming out to be 24 centimeter. Now OM is equals to AM minus AO. OM we don't know. AO is the radius of the circle. So OM will be equal to 24 minus r centimeter. Now we will take the smaller triangle, that is triangle OMB. Now in this triangle also we will be using Pythagoras theorem, that is OB square is equals to OM square plus BM square. So r square is equals to 24 minus r whole square plus 12 square. Now here a minus b identity will be applied and we will get r square is equals to 576 plus r square minus 48r plus 144. R square will get cancelled. Minus 48r, we will take it to the other side. It will become plus 48r. 576 plus 144, 720. So from here, we will get radius of the circle is 15 centimeters. Let us discuss next question. Question number 14. The radii of two concentric circles are 17 centimeter and 10 centimeter. A line segment PQRS, it cuts the larger circle at points P and S and smaller circle at point Q and R. If QR is equals to 12 centimeter, we need to find the length of PQ. That means we need to find this much length. So OQ is equals to 10 centimeter, OP is equals to 17 centimeter and QR is 12 centimeter. We know QM will be equal to half of QR, that is QM is equals to half of 12. QM is coming out to be 6 centimeter. Now in both the triangles, what we will be doing, we will be taking triangle OMP and then right angle triangle OMQ. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find PQ. Okay, first of all, OMQ triangle. OQ square is equals to OM square plus QM square. Substituting the values, we get OM is equals to 8 centimeter. We will name this as equation number 1. Secondly, in right angle triangle OMP, OP square is equals to OM square plus PM square. We are using Pythagoras theorem. Again substituting the values, we will get PM square is equals to 225 and hence PM is equals to 15 centimeter. We know PQ is equals to PM minus QM. That means PQ is equals to 15 minus 6, that is 9 centimeter. Next question. Question number 15. Two circles of radii 17 centimeter and 25 centimeter, they are intersecting at 2 points A and B. If length of the common chord, this is the common chord AB, of circles be 30 centimeter. So length of AB is given to be 30 centimeter. We need to find the distance between the centers of the circle. That is, we need to find length of O and O dash. So if you can see, AB for this circle, AB is acting as a chord, and line segment from the center to the chord is the perpendicular bisector. Similarly, for the bigger circle also, AB is acting as a chord here, and again with the same reason, we can say this line segment AM is 15 centimeter. Now if you take triangle AMO and triangle AMO dash, we can find OM and O dash M. Then adding both the sides, we can get the value of OO dash. So let's solve it. Because OM is perpendicular to AB, also we can say O dash M is also perpendicular to AD. As AB is a chord, we know the using property here, M will become the midpoint of AB. Now in the right angle triangle AMO, AO square is equals to AN square plus OM square. Substituting the values, I get OM is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, let's take another triangle AMO dash. Here AO dash whole square is equals to AN square plus MO dash square. After substituting the values here, I will get O dash M as 20. Now OO dash is equals to OM plus O dash M. That means 8 plus 20 centimeter. And we get this as 28 centimeter. So the distance between the two centers is coming out to be 28 centimeter. Let's discuss question number 18. In the joining figure, AB is the chord of a circle with center O. BC is the diameter. Now if OD is perpendicular to AB, OD is perpendicular to AB, this is given. We need to show that CA is equals to twice of OD and CA is parallel to OD. Okay, if we remember, we have done midpoint theorem. So we will be joining AC because we require AC. Now in right angle triangle BAC, I can use D and O are the midpoints of the sides AB and BC respectively. And now using midpoint theorem, I can say OD is parallel to AC and OD is half of AC. This implies OD is parallel to AC, and if I'll take 2 to the other side, I will get twice of OD is equals to AC. Hence proved. So we will be just using midpoint theorem here to prove the given result. Next is question number 20th. If the diameter of a circle bisects, this is the diameter of a circle, bisects each of the two chords of a circle, then prove that these two chords are parallel. That means I need to prove AB is parallel to CD. So how we'll do that? Okay, we know POQ, diameter POQ, it is bisecting the chord AB and CD here at points L and M respectively. We know OL is perpendicular to AB and OM is also perpendicular to CD. If it is perpendicular, OL is perpendicular to AB, that means I can take this angle 1 is equals to 90 degree. If OM is perpendicular to CD, I can take this angle as 2 as 90 degree also. Now if you see these two angles, both are 90 degree, but they are forming alternate interior angles. So how we can know that these angles are 90 degree? The straight line which is drawn from the center of a circle to bisect the chord which is not a diameter is perpendicular to the chord. So from here we get both the angles are equal. As these angles are forming alternate interior angles, this implies AB is parallel to CD. Hence proved. So students, kindly try till question number 20th from exercise 13. Thank you.